Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a stock with Robinhood, step by step, in a simple and easy way. So the tutorial today is how to buy a stock using the Robinhood app. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap on the magnifying glass icon to search. Type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy and tap on it from the search results. This will take you to the stock's details page. Here you can see things like the stock's price, performance, earnings information, and analyst readings. Take a moment to review this information before buying. When you're ready, tap the buy button. Enter the dollar amount you want to invest or the number of shares you want to purchase. Next, tap Review Order. This is where you'll double-check all the details of your trade before placing it. If everything looks good, follow the remaining prompts to submit and confirm your order. And that's it. Once your order goes through, the stock will appear in your Robinhood portfolio and you can track its performance anytime. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more investing tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want to see another step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.